Welcome to the channel. We are unboxing this BF-109 German World War II RC Warbird today. You can see some features. The plane comes with gyro and it has 2.4 GHz transmission frequency and uses FHSS protocol. It's made of EPP foam material and has high capacity lithium battery, suitable for beginner level, and it's a 3-channel RC plane. So here it says BF-109 fighter, single wing light piston fighter, easy control, easy flying, and the specifications: length is 330 millimeters, width is 380 millimeters, height is 110 millimeters, and weight is 57 grams. This is what you get in the box. This is instruction manual. You can see the function of the transmitter buttons and sticks. Charging for aircraft batteries. Preparation before flight. Ready to take off. Aircraft basic control instructions. Yaw adjustment. Aircraft failure and repair. You can see problems, reasons, and solutions. This is a ready to fly RC airplane and you don't need to assemble anything. You just need to install the landing gears. Looks nice. A 3-channel RC plane. It has throttle, steering, okay, left and right, and it has this working elevator as well, which is a good thing. You can see the servo to control this elevator, and this one, the middle prop, it doesn't spin, it's just for display. This plane uses differential thrust for the steering. That means for the turning, one of the motors will spin faster than the other, and there's no motor in the middle, so this is just for display. Let's see what else we get in the box. This is 3.7 volt 350 mAh LiPo battery, 1S LiPo battery. And then we have this USB charger for 1S LiPo battery. And then these spare propellers, left and right spare propellers. Rear landing gear. Propeller remover. If you need to change the propeller in future, you can use this. And finally this front landing gear. Let's install the landing gears. Front is done. Rear is also done. Let's connect the battery now. I have charged it. This is the on-off switch. You can see the red LED has turned on. And this is the transmitter that comes with the plane. It's a 3-channel transmitter. This is throttle. This one controls the steering and the elevator. So if you do right and left, the plane will turn. And if you do up and down, the elevator will go up and down. This one is on-off switch. And these 3 buttons are trims. Alright. If the plane is going to left, you can trim it to right, so you have to use this button. And if it's going to right, you can trim it to left using this button. Similarly, this button is used for elevator trim. So to level the elevator, you can use this one. Alright. If you move this button to right, the elevator will go down. And if you move this button to left, the elevator will move up. So this one is used to level the elevator. And here we have 2 buttons at the top. Let's see what they do. Left one is light key and right one is high and low speed. So you can fly this plane in 2 modes, low speed and high speed mode, using this one. And this one is used for controlling the lights. The transmitter needs 3 AAA batteries. I have installed 3 AAA batteries in the transmitter. Let's turn it on. You can see the red LEDs in the transmitter and the plane are blinking. That means they are waiting for the connection. You push this throttle up and then down, and you will hear a beep, and then both the LEDs will go solid. That means the transmitter is connected to the plane. So this one, the left one, is throttle. You can see this propeller is not spinning. Okay, transmitter is beeping. That means the battery does not have enough power in the transmitter. The right stick controls the elevator. Okay, if you press this button, you will hear 2 beeps. That means the plane is in high speed mode. Now you can see the size of the rudder has changed. Okay, right and left. That's all we have got in this transmitter. Alright guys, let's see how she flies. I'll see you outside. Okay guys, we just flew this plane and it was pretty good. And if I had to rate this plane out of 10, I would rate it 9. I would rate it 10 out of 10 if it could do at least 360 loops, because it has got an elevator and dual rudder settings on the transmitter. I thought it could do loops, but it couldn't. Okay, I tried my best, but this is not a 3D plane, so you cannot do any aerobatics with this plane, but it flew pretty well. And yesterday we unboxed this P-51D Mustang. Both planes are pretty similar and produced by same company. This one is also dual motor RC plane, and it uses differential thrust to take turns, and it has got working elevator. And yeah, I gave 7 out of 10 to this plane yesterday. Now I think I have to change my rating. I will also give this plane 9 out of 10 because both are pretty similar and both perform pretty well. So the mistake I did while flying this plane was I did not correct this rudder. Okay, so that's why, you know, while taking full turns or while using the maximum steering, the plane was wobbling like this. And when I flew this BF-109 today, I found the solution for that problem. Actually, this plane was also wobbling when I was taking full turns. Okay, then I found the solution by correcting this rudder. If this rudder is not leveled, then this plane starts to wobble when you try to steer it maximum. What I did was, you know, I trimmed this elevator a little bit downwards, and the plane did not wobble while taking turns. And as you saw in the video, you know, it flew pretty well. So I will rate 9 out of 10 to both the planes, and I think you'll love it too. So we have this BF-109 RC Warbird by Volantex RC. It's a 4-channel RC Warbird. It doesn't have motors or propellers at the wings, and this one is functioning unlike the previous one, the previous BF-109 I showed. It has got working elevator, working rudder, and working ailerons. And this is pretty capable RC plane, one of my favorite RC planes. You can watch the unboxing video in my channel, and many people have liked that video, so I think they like the performance of this plane. If you compare the two, you know, they are pretty similar. They are pretty similar in size. This one is 3-channel and this one is 4-channel. You cannot do any 3D flying with this plane, but this one is one of the best 3D RC plane I have ever flown. This one is a bit more expensive than this one, but if I had to recommend, I will definitely recommend this one by Volantex RC. If you want to get into flying, get at least a 4-channel RC plane with elevator, aileron, and rudder as control surfaces. That's how you will learn the basics of flying. Okay. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the video. I will see you in my next one.